Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate monday.com with Xero. For this particular task I've decided to use zapier.com, which is a really nice integration app, and a couple of things changed. Mostly UI at the Zapier, or the face of the Zapier. So that's why I want to create a few new videos of explaining how to integrate through Zapier. So on top left corner there is a plus option, or the plus, create zap or add a zap, and we are going to click on this. That remains the same. On the top left corner still there is a way how you can name the trigger that you want to change. For example, we can go with Monday Xero, just like that, and your changes were auto saved. Splendid. And right now let's go with the trigger. The trigger will be monday.com. Yet again, as you can see, this face is a little bit different. It's some kind of pretty nice facelift, in part from Zapier. So event, let's go with a new user, for example. We hit continue, and right now we have to log in into the account that we are working in, or into our workspace, and hit the continue. Right now we just test the trigger and everything should work as planned. This trigger is between Monday to Zapier, so Zapier is testing if everything is correct. Second, the action will be obviously Xero. It's under the premium options, but don't worry. The event, we can go with for example, create bill. Next, now we have to pick the Xero account. I have this one, but I believe it's expired. Yep, but doesn't matter. Your Xero account will just do just fine. And then set up an action. As you can see, there are tons of room to fill in, but we can just go with something that is not so difficult. You see, add item to existing sales invoice in Xero. There's a little bit less of columns, but still you have to fill them in, and then continue and finish the whole integration. It's just 2 or 3 steps away from being done. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.